We're going to go to the 44S. Do you remember the one that we really liked? Was it the 40G or 40F? There's one that we really liked the last couple of years when we looked at it. Okay.
I don't even remember.
It was in the
which one it
300-ish
was.
thousand range. Okay. Again, this one, the show price, $419,995, about 30% off. As you walk in these coaches, here is the passenger seat. This tray comes out so that the passenger's feet aren't dangling. Okay. Look at this. Look at all of this space, guys. It's got opposing slides. And so it gives you tons of room. So this is built on a Freightliner chassis. And you see they've got the cockpit nice. So when you're sitting here, actually, you know what, Lisa? Since there's nobody coming in right now, I'll sit down in here.
All right.
So you get an idea of what it looks like at my height when you're driving. Big glass everywhere. So you have great views, right?
Except for the RV we're parked next to.
Except for it's a great view of the LXE,
Yes.
the new bunkhouse model, which we will go look at because it is a brand new floor plan and a brand new model. So I know some people might want to see that. But these type units, they are very comfortable to drive. They are very easy. They drive straight down the road just like your car does. It's just big. So if you already drive a relatively big rig, whether it's a travel trailer or even a fifth wheel, people that go up to Class A say they drive even nicer. So I know a lot of people look at this and they're afraid because it's so big, but it does drive really easily, okay? So these chairs do spin around, face the back, right? And this back is huge. This is an entertaining coach. You've got 4 seats here. I'm not sure if they all recline, but I know the 2 end ones do for sure. I just don't know if these middle ones do or not. I don't think they do. No, they don't, because you can see it's solid, okay? But they are, I believe these are real leather. I don't think it's pleather.
I believe so.
Right?
Yeah.
Lisa is standing in the dinette, okay?
I am.
Which is a huge dinette.
It is.
And that table articulates down. That can turn into a bed,
Yes.
which is also nice. Now the TV is far to my right, so I probably would be parking myself over here, more closer to in front of the TV. I mean, that's not bad because it's facing that area. This is really spacious, Lisa.
It really is.
Right? Below the TV, there's a sound bar. There's a 32-inch fireplace. Okay. There is cabinetry all the way around the top, both here and where I was sitting. All the decor all ties together. I want to make sure that I don't forget to mention the hide-a-bed up top above the driving area. Okay, so this comes down when you're not driving, and that can be a bed. As we move into the kitchen, on this side, you have your residential LG refrigerator. Back over here is where the rest of it is. You've got your induction cooktop, 2 burners. Right, you've got, this pulls out, press that button, this pulls out. So you have another bar, okay, but also pull-out drawers, okay. Lots of cabinetry here, all finished inside, felt carpeting, dishwasher, single basin, large sink, pull-down faucet, and a nice Whirlpool microwave, okay. Then across over here on this side, this is your half bath. So let's crawl in there and give you the test. By the way, there's kick toe for sweeping. It's got central vac throughout. But this is definitely tall man approved. Very spacious back in here as well. So if you're fluffy, you'd be pretty comfortable in here as well. Little cubby back here, cabinetry here. And then of course you got your medicine cabinet here. You see how it's finished back in there, right? That great carpeting. Real tile, glass tile backsplash.
That's got a shimmer to it.
It does.
The tile
Solid
does.
surface countertops, again, bathroom, kitchen, everywhere. And there's some cabinets up top as well, guys. Okay. And look at the woodwork throughout, right? Woodwork
Is there
everywhere.
something behind that
There is.
cabinet?
It's all lit up.
Okay.
When you step up back into the bedroom, there is a step. Okay. You have what looks to be an RV king mattress. There's some charging plates there. That's also where you have to put your CPAP. There is power and USB. Love all the woodwork in here. It's one of the reasons why I like the American Dreams. Lots of woodwork.
I do too.
Cabinets above, cubbies. Is there storage underneath here? There is not. No
Do we have
storage.
drawers?
No, it goes way back because I think this no, it's just on the slide. Okay, directly across from here, you got your TV, which is on a televator. It's kind of halfway up right now, and 8 drawers. And we'll show you this one because it's closest to Lisa. And big wardrobe, hanging space. That's the ladder to get up to that front bed.
To the height of bed.
To the height of bed. Okay, and then you get into the back. Look at that. It's a stackable, but it's left and right.
Oh, wow.
I like that because you still have your
too.
usable storage above it.
Yeah.
Like that. And your adjustable shelves, pull out drawers.
Yeah, very nice. I like that as well.
Massive vanity in the back here. Again, it's all molded, solid surface. Medicine cabinet there with adjustable shelves for the big bottles and the small bottles. His and her medicine cabinets that are backlit. I know they open somehow. I just don't. I can see that it opens, but I just don't know how. Oh, right here. I was grabbing the whole thing. It's just the front section. It opens easy, guys.
You're trying to rip it out of the wall.
I wasn't. I promise. I was just like, why is this not opening? Okay. Lots of storage back here. Okay. It goes all the way back in there. Here is the toilet in the back.
And I like that it's called.
Now, they have pushed this all the way to the wall. So I don't know why they didn't decide to center it. If it was centered, it would be really comfortable. This is fine from legroom, but I mean, I'm
I see your head into
Yeah.
the balance there.
yeah. Well, it's not actually in the balance. But I'm pushed up in the corner. It's kind of strange.
Yeah.
Strange. So I fit. It's strange. My height is good. If you're fluffy, you're not going to fit. Okay. Foot flush. Huge cabinets behind here. Right. Lots of storage. Put towels in there, I guess, or whatever you want.
Yeah.
And then there's the shower. It's the last thing we haven't gone in. Which opens this way. Nice big shower, all tiled. Right. This is like granite tiles or marble tiles.
Yeah.
Stone on the floor.
Beautiful.
Nice shower. There's a bubble. There's a skylight, but I don't need to be in it. If I was in it. 6'9", 6'10". Okay.
Very nice.
And we didn't mention it, but look at the floor when you
I
go
know. It's beautiful, isn't it?
through. Yeah. We'll go through here. We'll let them back into the bathroom.
Excuse
You
me.
know you're a good salesman.
Oh, we're just pointing out all the fun stuff.
So front back heated floors
See?
as well.
Heated
Not every
floors.
model, though. It's an option, like right.
You can option us